perspective. Many men unknowingly hold on to habits that drain their energy, disrupt sleep, and even strain relationships. Did you know that frequent masturbation, if done excessively, can sap your vitality and affect your emotional balance? This is just one of 14 common mistakes that could be holding you back from a stronger, more fulfilling life. But here's the good news. Today, I'll share practical, life changing strategies to help you age with strength, confidence, and independence. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on valuable health and wellness insights. Hit the like button to support this content. And if you find this topic interesting, drop a 1 in the comments. Or if you disagree, type 0. Your feedback helps improve future videos. Now, let's get started. Mistake number 1. Trusting too easily in new connections. As we age, companionship becomes more important. Longtime friends may drift away, and family members may be preoccupied with their own lives. While forming new friendships is essential, not everyone has good intentions. Some people may exploit your openness for emotional, financial, or even romantic gain. Stay alert to sudden changes in someone's behavior. Are they truly interested in you, or do they have an agenda? Trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't ignore it. For those seeking deeper intimacy in their relationships, check out the digital book Rediscovering Intimacy: Healthy Sexuality After 60, available in the pinned comment. It's filled with valuable advice on keeping passion alive as you age. Mistake number 2. Living in the past. Nostalgia is natural, but dwelling on past regrets can keep you stuck. Carrying emotional baggage is like lugging a heavy suitcase through life. It slows you down. Instead, focus on the present. What can you learn today? What new experiences can you embrace? Make new friends, start a hobby, or rekindle old passions. Your best years can still be ahead of you. Mistake number 3. Neglecting mental and emotional health. Physical health is important, but your mindset and emotional state matter just as much. Many men over 60 face challenges like retirement, loss of loved ones, or changes in daily routine, which can lead to emotional struggles. Ignoring these feelings won't help. Talk to someone you trust, join a support group, or even seek professional guidance. Keeping your mind active through reading, learning new skills, or practicing meditation can help maintain emotional balance and resilience. Mistake number 4. Giving up your independence. Well meaning family members may try to make decisions for you, thinking they're helping. While their concern is valid, remember that your life is yours. Set boundaries and communicate your preferences clearly. Accepting advice is fine, but never let anyone take away your ability to make choices that align with your values. Mistake number 5. Not taking control of your finances after retirement. Managing finances becomes more important than ever. Healthcare costs may rise, and income sources may shift. To stay financially secure, track your expenses, prepare for unexpected costs. Be cautious of scams targeting older adults. If needed, seek advice from a trusted financial expert or family member to ensure your assets remain protected. Mistake number 6. Isolating yourself. Loneliness is a silent killer. Studies show that social isolation increases the risk of depression, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. Make an effort to stay connected, whether it's through family, old friends, or community activities. Even technology can help. Video calls and online groups can keep you socially engaged without leaving home. Mistake number 7. Overindulging in masturbation. Let's be clear, exploring your own body is natural, but excessive masturbation can lead to fatigue, disrupted sleep, less interest in real relationships. It's all about balance. Ensure that this habit doesn't interfere with other meaningful parts of your life, like relationships, productivity, and emotional health. Mistake number 8, not staying physically active. Exercise isn't just for young people, it's even more important after 60. Regular movement helps you maintain muscle strength, support heart health, improve balance and flexibility, boost mood, and reduce anxiety. No need for intense workouts. A daily 20 to 30-minute walk, light strength training, or yoga can work wonders. Find something you enjoy and stay consistent. Mistake number 9, ignoring your diet. Your body's nutritional needs change with age. Focus on whole foods, including lean proteins, chicken, fish, beans, healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid excessive sugar, salt, and processed foods, which can contribute to chronic illnesses like diabetes and high blood pressure. And don't forget hydration. Even if you don't feel thirsty, drinking enough water is crucial for digestion, skin health, and mental clarity. Mistake number 10, losing your sense of purpose. Retirement often brings a shift in identity. Many men struggle with feelings of aimlessness, which can lead to emotional distress. The solution? Find a purpose that excites you, whether it's volunteering, mentoring, learning a new skill, or pursuing creative hobbies. Having a meaningful pursuit keeps your mind sharp and your spirit alive. Mistake number 11, ignoring sleep quality. Poor sleep can lead to memory issues, irritability, weakened immune system. To improve sleep, stick to a consistent schedule. Limit screen time before bed. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine late at night. If you struggle with sleep, consider meditation or deep breathing exercises before bed. Mistake number 12, skipping health checkups. Regular preventative screenings are key to detecting potential health issues early. Get checked for blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, bone density, prostate, and heart health. Being proactive adds years to your life